Hey, sweet friends. Welcome back to Kutis Storytime. Today's tale is about a big bear, a tiny bee, and a big reaction that turned a small sting into a giant muddy mess. Let's head deep into the woods, where our furry friend learns that a calm heart is stronger than strong paws. It was early morning. The forest was stretching, yawning, waking up, and so was Bear. He strolled lazily down a path between pine trees, his big paws thumping softly on the moss. He wasn't in a hurry. No plans, no worries. Just a big bear enjoying a quiet walk. Suddenly, sniff, 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 Bear's nose twitched. A delicious smell floated through the air. Honey, fresh, golden, sun-warmed forest honey. Bear crept closer. Just one pawful won't hurt, he thought. But the bees had other plans. Zizip, one tiny bee, zipped out and gave him a little sting right on the nose. Ah, that tickled and stung all at once. Now, Bear could have walked away. He could have said, "Oops, that's enough." But instead, "How dare you sting me?" Big anger over one little bee. And just like that, whoosh, the whole hive came alive. Now it wasn't one sting, it was every sting. Bear ran through brambles, over logs, through a river. He slipped on a rock splash and dove straight into a muddy pond, from Forest King to Forest Pudding. Thanks to that, he can escape from the bee attack. Now it's time for Kutis interview time. Let's hear from our friend, Mr. Bear. Why didn't you just walk away?
I was angry. Really angry, but I made it worse. A lot worse.
Sometimes something small stings our feelings, like when someone is rude or unfair or just mean, and we want to roar, stomp, yell, but if we pause, breathe, we might save ourselves a lot of trouble. Big strength isn't in a big roar, it's in knowing when to stay calm. Don't let small stings make big storms. Thanks for sticking around, sweet thinkers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep calm with Kutis and the Cheeky Band. Bye-bye, honey hearts.
Noise. I wish I knew what you were thinking of. One last drink before it's time to go home. I had my chance, but I screwed it up once more. It's been years and it still kills me. Your dynamite so fucking pretty. Hold on, darling, don't let me down. Hope that you feel it too, just give me a sign. 'Cause I know it ain't over. You feel it too, right? So until next time, hold on, darling, don't let me go. I wanna see through this, so just hold me close. 'Cause I know it ain't over. You feel it too, right? So until next time. Lost in the crowd, but yeah, you drown.